DBMM right now at 0007. So we looked at this one over here on the 12th. You guys had this big pop right here. A lot of people were talking about it. And when we were covering this one live, it was at 0012. When we were covering this one live on investorshangout.com/live. 0012, I said gap at 0010 and 0008. Resistance at 0012, which is where it was at that time. But look at that. I even told you guys in the live stream that the resistance is going to be at 0015, which you guys can see there as well. You can go back and check out that video to confirm it. But again, I said that gap was going to fill down here. Okay, and you know, guys came back down and filled it, unfortunately, but it's just the way it is with these charts. When you follow them as closely as I do, I do watch these gaps very closely. You guys know that. So came back down and filled that gap and hit the low of 0.0006, which would have been down here at the 10-day simple moving average. I warned you guys. I told you guys to watch that gap, play it safe. It bounced right off of there, came back down and filled that gap. And that is what we've seen happen here. Hitting that high of 0015, that volume dropped off, a lot of selling to pull it back down. So with that being said, hopefully it starts to stabilize right here in that area. Of course, I mean, it's down quite a bit, but like I said, with that gap here, that was almost a given, especially for you guys that follow us live. The good news on this, though, is at the break of 001 on the return, it can go up just as fast as it came down. So that is going to be what we want to watch for. Again, for all you guys back in here, again, I warned you about it coming down. I also warned you that I thought it was getting set up over here on the 3rd. And you can go back and verify that through the videos. I mean, we put this one on technical analysis alert at the 10th when it started the volume was starting to pick up and getting through these moving averages right here. And once it got above there, it held there and just took off from there. But it did end up coming down to fill this gap. That's why I always say I hate them gaps because they can really cause stocks to come down just as quick as they go up. So levels in here support. And that's what we're gonna be watching for. Again, we're gonna continue to watch this DBMM. It's been a while, that we've been covering this one as well. And take a look at this. It's gonna be on the 0006 on the 9th, or I'm sorry, January 9th. Kind of give you guys an idea how far back we've been following this one. Not every single day, or it looks like a few times a month. Even in March, we only looked at it once. So with the volume picking up, obviously we're going to look at it a little bit more, and it was requested. So DBMM, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already. We would appreciate that very much. And get out there and share this video with all other investors and different stock message boards, stock forums, and social networks. We would appreciate that as well. And join us over at investorshangout.com/live to join us while we do these live streams and do these videos live, because that's where you tell us about the stocks that you're following, and we'll do a video on those as well.